Okay, a lot of y'all always ask me about how do we plant our boxwoods, and we're actually planting one in a container garden right now. So let me kind of show you one of my tips and tricks. Griffin, come up close so they can see. So I always build a base underneath it and pack it really well, so because the boxwoods are kind of heavy, that way it doesn't sink. But you always want to make sure that you plant the top of the root ball a little bit elevated, just a touch above the container. And so I'm going to take the burlap back and I'm going to fill this up around with dirt, and then add more dirt around here. But what I'm not going to do, I'm not going to put the dirt on top of this root ball. I'm just going to put it around here and not plant on top of here or add the dirt. But that's really how you also plant them in the ground as well. But this is a gorgeous conical shaped boxwood, but that's my tips and tricks on how to plant your boxwood. And just know this burlap, you're like, why are you not taking it out? Guess what? It's gonna disintegrate and it'll be just fine.